hunting mating call of the humpback whale. Very good, Carl. A hot dog holder?
Actually, the hot dog holder deluxe, also known as the Versa Bun. It not only holds hot dogs, it is also a stylish hat, a butterfly with fat wings, a comfy seat cushion at your favorite sporting event, and as quickly as you see it right before your very eyes, it's gone. Ooh, what happened to the hot dog holder deluxe? William Shakespeare.
That might be just a little strong for you, Carl.
But soft. What light through yonder window breaks? It is the east, and Julia is the sun. See how she leans her cheek upon her hand? Oh, the ivory glove upon that hand. I might touch that cheek. Hey, Jimmy, I found a cool video game starring a thin green guy and his friend Mr. Bleep Bleep.
That's the radar, Carl.
Oh, well, my mom doesn't let us have radar.
That is the lamest thing I've ever heard. What dunderhead would want to talk to a bunch of stupid fish?
I want to talk to fish! I want to talk to fish! Give me that. Oh, hey, you little fella. Hi. Do you like fish snackums? They're made from fish like you, only cut up into little bite-sized pieces and deep-fried in burning oil.
My plan's better than yours. It's not. It's so. It's so.
Stop it! Stop it! Can't you see your constant fighting is tearing us all apart? Thank you, Winifred. This is my revolutionary voltage ponderizer. I converted the Hoskababits to the Flutz by putting it through the Hooble Boobler.
What's the square root of a flexnard, huh? That doesn't make any sense.
The square root of a flexnard is a cup full of boogers. Okay, well, I better apply more sunblock. Oh, look, it's SPF 50. Says for fair to albino skin. This is the lair of the Carl clan. Pretty sweet, huh? This weather is perfect for big-boned people like me, and soon the hunters will move on. Then we of the Carl clan will emerge from our long sleep, and the land will belong to the hefty. That's why I'm bulking up on carbs, because I'll have to feed off the extra weight until the spring. And when I emerge, I will be fit, strong, and my sunburn will be gone. I'm just not sweating.
Come on, Carl, you can do it. The whole town's depending on you. You'll be a hero.
Really? Okay. Does anyone have a scented towelette? Wow! I can do something! Somebody call my mom! I have to share a blooming dressing room with you two blokes.
Carl, why are you talking like that?
No. Please refer all inquiries to my image consultant.
Yes. No.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Big calendar shoot coming up. Girl, see! I'm floating. The light. Yes. Move toward the light. Extreme dislike of girls who dislike boys who dislike girls who dislike show-offy boys who dislike...
Too confusing! Throw that one away!
Well, usually when I get on these kind of rides, I get real sick. Never mind.
We will now choose the next hall monitor as directed by the Lindbergh Elementary Constitution by picking a random name from this hat.
I want to be hall monitor. I want to be hall monitor. I want to be hall
Carl
monitor.
Wheezer, I accept. I forgot to tell you that your mother left an extra pair of clean you-know-whats at the office.
Hi, Jimmy. Can I touch your uniform?
Oh, your papers?
I have a class. I was just going to the bathroom because I always go at 8:47, 9:23, 11:42.
Wheezer, Carl, blood type O negative, card-carrying member of the Llama Love Society, prior arrests, none. Everything's in order. Move along.
Let's pick our next hall monitor! Carl Wheezer! Victory is mine! Your mother called. She said don't forget to take your nose drops!
I assume it comes with a few cc's of Ethelmer, Captain?
No.
Well, I can work around that. Fonadil?
Yeah. No.
Tritium nitrate?
I've got salt. Can I have a hint?
No, Carl, this is a memory experiment. Now remember, you want the cheese.
Want the cheese. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny.
My turn! My turn! I want to touch the shocky door again!
Hey, look at me! I've got feet of flame!
Hey, Jimmy, if you just asked me, I'd have lent you some stupid-looking clothes.
Carl! These notes are completely useless!
But Jimmy, you should have seen them. They were so cute and cuddly and...
I'm a bad Watson!
Do you guys think that, sometimes in the right light, Miss Fowl looks kind of...
Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off!
Good morning to you! Good morning to you!
We're all in our places! Go! Wait! Hold it!
We have a winner! First prize goes to Team Wheezer!
Huh?
We won! And not a single injury. Ow! My foot! Ow! My neck! My head! I think I have a bone spur. Oh! Leg cramp! My kidneys are on fire!
You know, Jim, I felt that way after I accidentally came to school wearing my underwear on the outside. But, time passes and people forget.
Hey, Carl! Are you wearing your underwear with the little pink llamas on it?
Never mind. No way, Sheen. You're not as big a fan of Jimmy's dad as I am.
Oh, yeah? What's his favorite color?
It's, pie.
I smell a brain blast.
Oh, is that what that is? I thought it might be the cheese ball I've been carrying around since I was 3. I call him cheesy.
Good point. The vault back at the rocket is the best place.
Wait a minute. How come you get to hold the rubies? In a safe that only you know the combination to? Ruby Madness! Ruby Madness is tearing us apart!
Carl, easy!
Oh, you made me tell. You want my rubies, you jewel thief?
Jim Stealer! Ruby Madness! Ruby Madness! I discovered them! What? I saw them first!
Just sit back and let your good friend Carl take care of things.
Yeah, Carl, I don't think that a coconut...
Relax, Jimmy. Underneath this hefty exterior is a solid wall of muscle.
Show me what you got.
Okay, on the downbeat. Now when I first came to the Cretaceous era, I experienced fright and terror. And then I met a friend who helped me to survive. His blood is warm, his young are born alive. Hey-oh, aha! Hey, 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 hey-oh.
Hi, I'm Paul.
just really quickly before we begin, if you want to check out this video in the original way that I intended it straight from my brain, you can check. What's going on in the world?
When I saw the trailers for this movie, I thought that it was going to be another dumb movie made to entertain children and nothing more. I had no interest in seeing it. But then I saw the reviews. People kept saying that it was one of the best films that came out of 2022. Then I was intrigued. How could a spin-off film about a silly cat from Shrek be on the list of DreamWorks' greatest films? Then I saw it, and I can't believe I am saying this, but the movie about a freaking cartoon cat with a sword made me reflect on my life choices. Everything I had heard about this movie was but a mere understatement. Puss in Boots: The Last Wish is an actual masterpiece. Now, usually with these movie reviews, I look at the flaws first, then talk about things I like. However, there's a bit of an issue. The only flaw that this movie has is that there are none. There is only one other movie that was able to achieve this, and I will make a review on that soon. But for now, we need to talk about this. Puss in Boots 2 is actually perfect. Everything about this film is done perfectly. The animation is superb, the dialogue is great, and the story has very interesting and surprisingly mature themes. I never would have thought that a movie about a cat that speaks in a Spanish accent would discuss themes about death and mortality in such a mature way. Puss's character arc is just simply fantastic. At the start of the film, he's this arrogant, cocky, and narcissistic jerk. He calls himself everyone's favorite fearless hero, but he's not fearless because of bravery. He's fearless because he knows he's not actually gonna die. He has 9 lives, after all. But once those 9 lives are taken from him, all that fearlessness is gone. He is finally put up against an opponent who can actually keep up with him. Oh yeah, and about that, friggin' Death is an antagonist in this movie, and I am not joking when I say that this guy is honestly way more threatening than most modern movie villains. Every time Death is on screen, you get this sense of dread. Every time he appears, he whistles this unsettling tune, which just adds to the fear of this character. His introduction is also just perfect. This guy's introduction is truly on par with the Joker's introduction from The Dark Knight. Yeah, you heard me. The introduction of Death not only instills fear in Puss, but also the audience. During the scene when he's introduced, there were multiple adults in my theater who audibly gasped because there was friggin' blood in this movie. Yeah, there is blood in an animated film in 2022. Oh, crap. I forgot. I was, supposed to be talking about Puss's character arc. Anyways, he's terrified of death. This once fearless hero has now been reduced to this terrified coward. There's a scene in this movie in which Puss has a full-blown panic attack because of death. And this is one of those panic attack scenes where it's played for laughs. This scene is taken very seriously, which is something that has been really missing from modern films. This movie knows when it needs to take itself seriously. By the end of the film, Puss learns the value of life, and it is so well done. Okay, now that I've gushed about Puss's character arc and death, I can now talk about the other things I liked about this movie. This dog is amazing. He's just this little wholesome ball of optimism, and it's definitely needed in a film like this. It's also a nice contrast with Puss, with how this dog has been through some really messed up crap. Yet he continues to be this happy little being, yet Puss still doesn't fully understand the value of life. Kitty Softpaws was also a pretty good character. There's nothing much I can say about her, but she was still pretty great in this movie. Now, about the other 2 villains of this movie. Goldilocks is surprisingly very well written, and she actually has a very good character arc. Now we can get to probably my second favorite character in this movie, who is right next to Death, of course. This being Jack Horner. Jack Horner is a very one-dimensional villain who just wants power, but the writers take that to their advantage, and they make him the most entertaining character in this film. He's just pure evil. He's constantly killing his own henchmen with absolutely no remorse, and he's overall just a horrible human being. There's this running joke with Jiminy Cricket, and he's trying to reason with Jack. There's a moment when he reveals his childhood, and I was worried that they were going to give him a sad backstory to make you sympathize with him. But then the joke ended up being that he had an absolutely perfect life and just decided to be evil for no reason, which just makes his character way more fun. Now that I'm done talking about the characters, I need to talk about the animation. The animation is just simply gorgeous. The art style is so much fun to look at, and the fight scenes are honestly way better than some modern action movies. I literally had a few tears while watching the final battle between Buzz and Dip, just because of how fantastic the animation and story was. Overall, this was a great film that deserves, and I can't believe I'm saying this, a 10 out of 10. Go watch Puss in Boots in theaters. Don't wait for it to be on streaming. Go give this film your money, because it deserves it. That's all I've got for today. See you in the next video.